Tired of flat, lifeless hair? Discover the modern shag. The ultimate cut for instant volume, incredible movement, and effortless cool. 1. Classic mid-length shag. The foundation of modern texture cuts. This style uses layers to create a beautifully unstructured shape with fantastic body. This versatile, face-framing style is perfect for those new to the shag, offering easy manageability and universal flattery across most hair types. Excellent for finer hair needing a lift. The mid-length layers add substantial visible thickness without sacrificing length or becoming overly complicated to style. 2. Textured wavy shag. Emphasizing natural waves. This shag uses strategic layering to encourage movement and enhance the hair's existing curl pattern, resulting in a naturally voluminous look, ideal for naturally wavy or slightly curly hair. This cut works with your texture to minimize styling time while maximizing natural body and shape. This layered look beautifully disperses weight in thicker hair, preventing a heavy or triangular shape while defining individual waves for a softer, fuller feel. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments. 3. Short, piecey shag. A bolder, shorter take. This shag focuses on choppy, piecey ends and extreme texture, creating a cool, rock and roll vibe with fantastic lift at the crown. This high-impact, low-maintenance cut is perfect for those seeking dramatic change and requires minimal effort to achieve maximum edgy texture and volume. Best suited for straight or slightly wavy hair. The shortness allows the layers to really pop, providing incredible lift that fine hair often needs at the roots. Tell us your favorite number below. 4. Long shag with face framing layers. For those who love length but desire movement, the long shag incorporates cascading layers, primarily focusing on framing the face and the ends. This style adds beautiful shape and life to long hair that often falls flat, providing sophisticated movement without sacrificing significant length or bulk. The long layers allow the hair to remain easy to braid or put up while still maintaining a beautiful, lighter shape and preventing a bottom-heavy look when down. Share your favorite number with us. The layers add volume and movement to the hair, creating a soft and flowing look. This style is versatile and can be worn casually or dressed up for formal occasions. It suits various face shapes and hair types. 5. Shag with curtain bangs. The ultimate modern pairing. Soft curtain bangs perfectly complement the shag's relaxed layers, creating a seamless, flattering frame for the face. Curtain bangs are incredibly forgiving and versatile, making them a perfect addition to a shag for instantly drawing attention to the eyes and cheekbones. This combination is flattering on almost all face shapes and allows for growth without awkward stages, as the bangs simply blend into the rest of the layers. This style adds volume and texture to the hair, creating a stylish and elegant look. Which style wins for you? 6. 70s inspired shag. A fun, highly textured take that draws inspiration from the past, focusing on defined, feathered layers and a heavy fringe for maximum volume and retro appeal. Your top pick? Type the number. Perfect for straight hair that needs a shape. The heavy layering creates a distinct, structured look, providing instant life and a bold style statement. This look is a great way to add an element of playful lightness and bounce to otherwise heavy hair, especially around the face, with its feathered styling. Share your favorite number now. 7. Wavy shag with micro bangs. A high-fashion, edgy iteration where the classic shag texture meets super short, brow-exposing bangs for an unexpected and dramatic look. This bold style is perfect for showing off strong bone structure and provides a distinctly modern and slightly punk rock edge to the soft waves of the shag. Micro bangs help elongate the neck and create a focal point, making this combination an excellent choice for petite individuals or those with oval face shapes. This hairstyle, often referred to as a wolf cut, combines elements of a shag and a mullet, making it versatile for various hair types and lengths. The natural, tousled appearance of this hairstyle makes it relatively low maintenance, requiring minimal styling effort. 8. Shag with undercut layers. Invisible shag. A more subtle take, this style uses interior, hidden layers to remove weight and create movement, making it look fuller while remaining easy to style. Perfect for extremely thick hair, the internal layering removes bulk without compromising the overall length or the appearance of a full, heavy perimeter. This is the most low-key shag option, offering maximum movement with minimal visible commitment, blending beautifully for a professional yet dynamic look. 9. Curly shag. Celebrating natural curls, this cut layers curls strategically, encouraging spiral definition and creating an incredibly flattering, voluminous, and balanced silhouette. A revolutionary style for curly hair, this cut removes the dreaded triangle shape by layering the crown, resulting in even, gorgeous volume from root to tip. This technique works beautifully on all curl patterns, from waves to tight coils, giving curls space to breathe and defining the natural shape without weighing them down. 10. Wolf Cut Shag Maximized Texture, the edgiest, most popular modern twist. The wolf cut maximizes the shag's principles with heavy, choppy top layers and wispy, thin ends for ultimate texture and drama. This daring, modern style is for those who love high-fashion, high-texture hair, offering extreme volume at the crown and a cool, punk edge. Best for medium to thick hair, the aggressive layering creates maximum visual interest and texture, requiring only minimal product to achieve the signature rock and roll look.